Hello guys, it is December 7th, it is 6 p.m., the markets are closed, and do I have a treat for you today? I'm sorry if I chuckle when while I record this video. I just thought it was hilarious. All right, so I traded Nike, NKE, I traded calls, and I got out for a tiny win. 2.53%. Um, right, so obviously that was not my most successful trade ever, but it's a picture perfect example of how manipulation works. Okay? All right, so I got in here. This is 9:40. This is when the day started, right? No, that's a lie. It started here. Okay, sorry guys, my bad. Um, Started here. The Nike pushed up, the price pushed up, it broke a resistance, then it retraced, hit support, and went back up, right? So up to that point, everything is normal, nothing special. I thought it was gonna be a standard trade. Okay. Now, mind you, I fully rely on institutions to back me up with this pattern, all right? If you have taken my courses or my webinars, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, today, well, okay, so I got in here, all right? Hold that thought. Today the SPY was not playing nice. It was falling, all right? Let's see, it opened there, and it was just sideways and down. Basically, it was red. Today was a day when the SPY would fall, okay? All right. So I like to align myself with the SPY always. The SPY was not green, it was red slash sideways, so it was doing a whole bunch of nothing. So if the market was not going up, this had a, this didn't really have anything to tag along with, all right? So it had a very hard time pushing up, and it just went sideways all day. Okay, it actually closed slightly below support here, but I saw momentum still there, decided to hold it, and I got taken out at the very end of the day, like the last minute or 2 minutes, and I, all right, so you see this volume, right? This is an institution being frustrated, I think, or playing things masterfully. Let me show you what I mean, okay? Let's go to the 5-minute chart. Let's see. Okay, well, you can barely see it, but these two candles, these two volume candles, bars, they were huge. They were huge compared to what had been going on the rest of the day. Okay? Now, if you see what the price did, the price went up. To me, this means that the institutions were like, all right, enough. Let's make let's put down some money. Let's make the price go up, and then the retail traders will do the rest, right? And for 10 minutes, the price went up. They almost did it. They almost got the price to go up, but eventually from here on, it just went sideways again, right? And this is what I loved. It was awesome. You see this drop, boom, 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 boom. This was on as much volume, if not more, as this, right? So this was a drop. It was a drop, like people were selling afraid. People were afraid, right? Then out of the blue, look at this. Boom, right? Huge candle up with, again, it's hard to tell when you look at it in perspective, but this was a lot of volume too. Okay, these 1, 2, 3, 4 bars were big compared to the rest of the day, right? But look at the last 5 minutes. Look at this. This is crazy. This is crazy. But hold on, hold on. If we go to, where do we go? If we go to after hours, check it out. Look at that, even more volume. All right, so this was heavily manipulated. All right, guys, heavily manipulated. I didn't expect so much manipulation when I got in. Let me go to the 15. When I got in here, I just expected a, standard trade. My bad, because I was not aligned with the SPY. The SPY hadn't really told me which way it wanted to go. So, anyways, we're all human, right? And right now, if you go to the hourly, this looks great. On the hourly, this looks great, you know. But there is too many people with ginormous trading accounts that are, playing this very hard. And I'm just happy to be out. I'm just happy to be out for pretty much break even, small gain. And I mean, if I was trading next week's calls, okay, I have enough time. I could have held on to this until tomorrow, sure. But when you see what the institutions, the bigger players are doing, who knows? Who knows what they have in mind? I mean, it's great to tag along with them when you see what they are doing, but there are times when you guys need to really do not play, And to me, this was one of those times. Besides, this breakout didn't happen on as much volume as I wanted. You see this? The volume came in here, but the breakout didn't really have that much volume. I think it actually, the institution waited until here to add more volume, and then here, obviously. So yeah, I don't know if the institution was trying to get this to go up with all its might, and then in the end, they just, went for a Hail Mary, I don't know. Or if it was their plan all along to do push up, push down, big push up, I don't know. But yeah, today was one of the most interesting days for me. That I remember. Like I said, small gain, small gain, but it was awesome to witness this. It really was. Okay. All right, guys. So I'm gonna go check. Oh, sorry. Another play that I didn't trade, but I was looking at. Space. SPCE. I know it's not Space. I know it's Virgin Galactic. But anyway, this one I wanted in, but this big rejection in the beginning, it smelled fishy to me, right? And then once it broke the resistance, it never really came back, right? Once it broke this minor level, it never really came back. And here it was not clear. It was not clear because of this rejection. So I didn't trade this. The higher it went up, the more I was I was begging for it to come back, but it didn't. So it is what it is, right? The market will be open tomorrow, and I will be here to trade it. So yeah, good stuff, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'm gonna go record the second video to prove my trade, and I will see you there. All right, thanks. Bye.